The philosophy was that art should not be in a gallery alone. It should be part of the daily lives of the community. And the Wisconsin Union has always been about art. It's just so critical to everything we do here and everything we're about.
When Fan Taylor was director of Wisconsin Union Theater, she set a standard for excellence in programming and really became a part of the history of the theater.
Fan Taylor was such a progressive person for her time. She served as the theater director until 1966, and it was really unheard of to engage students in planning, promoting, and producing theater. It wasn't just about putting people in seats. It was about making certain that what was on the Union Theater was quality. That was really Fan Taylor's motto. She was so ahead of her time, and that her impact is still felt.
My mother, Sally Owen, had written a thesis on providing a space for people to enjoy and learn how to make art. At first, they thought that only art students maybe would come to this space, but they found out from the very beginning that there were a lot of other people who were interested in the arts as recreation. I think one of the reasons my mother was selected for this was that she was very involved in campus activities. She was an art major, and she was always very interested in equality of activities, and I think she would be amazed at how this has grown. One of the advantages of my job as the program advisor is that there was never anything that I felt that I couldn't do. And I assume that came from the spirit of the union, where there were women in major advising roles. I think one of the things that a union provides is an alternative to the academic part of campus life and the recreational aspect, and of course nothing more recreational than making art.
Being able to have art galleries where student work is submitted and displayed, or concerts many nights of the week, is something that not all campuses have. I'm very fortunate to have this experience as arts programming as an undergrad, and I think it's interesting and really valuable to have a position in leadership as a woman. And part of what I carry from the union with me for the rest of my life is sharing arts with people.